What if I told you that a few simple rules separate the wealthy from everyone else? It's not about a secret handshake or a lucky break. It's about understanding the laws of money. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know 7 laws that can change your financial life forever. Meet Sarah. She gets her paycheck and immediately pays bills, buys groceries, and maybe a new pair of shoes. Whatever is left, she saves. Some months, that's almost nothing. Now meet Tom. He gets his paycheck and immediately moves 10% into a separate savings account. He lives off the remaining 90%. This is the first law. Pay yourself first. It's a simple shift. Instead of saving what's left after spending, you spend what's left after saving. It guarantees your future self is always taken care of. Every dollar you have is an employee. Its job is to work for you and make more dollars. If your money is just sitting in a checking account, it's like an employee sleeping on the job. The second law is to give your money a job. This means investing. It could be in stocks, real estate, or a side business. For example, putting $100 into an investment that earns 7% a year means that dollar is working and earning you $7, even while you sleep. Imagine a single penny that doubles in value every day. After a week, it's just 64 cents. But after 30 days, it's over $5 million. That's the magic of compounding. Law number 3 is to let your money compound. When you invest, your money earns returns. Then those returns start earning their own returns. It's a snowball effect. The key is to start early, even with a small amount. Time is your greatest ally. Think of your income like the legs of a table. If you only have one leg of your main job and it gets kicked out, the whole table crashes. But if you have 3 or 4 legs, it's much more stable. The fourth law is to build multiple streams of income. This doesn't mean working 3 jobs. It can be a small online business, renting out a spare room, or earning royalties from a book or a YouTube channel. Start small. Your first goal is to make an extra $1 online, then $10, then $100. This one sounds simple, but it's powerful. The less you spend, the more money you have to put to work. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Track your spending for 1 month. You'll be shocked where your money goes. That daily $5 coffee, that's $150 a month or $1,800 a year. Money that could be working for you. The 5th law is to control your lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, don't just spend more. Save and invest more. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. The 6th law is to protect your assets. This means having the right insurance, health, auto, home. An unexpected medical bill can wipe out years of savings. It also means having an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a savings account. UDAN-T Touch. This is your financial firewall. Protects you from life surprises, so UDAN-T have to sell your investments at the wrong time. How the world of money is always changing. New technologies, new investment opportunities, new rules. The final law is to invest in your financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos like this one. The more you learn, the more you earn. Your knowledge is the one asset no one can ever take from you. So there you have it, the 7 laws of money. Pay yourself first. Give your money a job. Let it compound. Create multiple income streams. Keep expenses low. Protect your wealth and never stop learning. Start with just one. Master it, then move to the next. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And in the comments below, tell me which law you're going to start with first. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.